Hello. Hello everyone. Hello. Let me check the sound. Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay. So, hello everyone. Yeah, hi Skadush. Today, yesterday, okay, first let's start with yesterday's video, what we discussed, and tomorrow we have our expiry. So today is 11th of Jan, and yesterday we clearly discussed that is 17,800 is going to get broken down, or both these indexes are taking support at Nifty is taking support at 18,700 17,850, and Bank Nifty is taking at 42,000. Okay, so today morning, though they came down below that, but again they took support. At those levels. So now, why did this happen? Because yesterday, looking at the bearish data, everyone got bearish. Okay, so everyone tried to, go with their bearish positions, and that's why there were so many even spikes in Bank Nifty. And finally, you see there. This move is nothing. Okay, it's not a very bullish move or a bearish move. Almost you can say a neutral day for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so why neutral? Because even like today morning also, there was no put buying going on. Okay, so what was going on was these in the money call writers were active in the morning. Okay, and they are still active there. So though market did not come down as their expectation, but they are still there. Okay, and yes, and I clearly said that market is not falling today because many retail traders are bearish today. So even in the yesterday's video, I clearly mentioned that FIs are having put buying positions. Okay, so I clearly mentioned that it would be a wise decision to get if you want to do put buying, then it would be better to go with the monthly option chain. So if you even go with the monthly option chain, okay, so because anything could happen in these 2 days. Okay, so you just have 2 days time, and just before expiry, far out of the money contracts would just go, near in Nifty especially, they would go down by 20 or 10 premium. So you would panic. I clearly told you that. But see, look at the premiums in the monthly option chain. Still, they are where almost like some points increase, but almost they are there where they were the last day. Okay, so the thing is that when you go with their with the monthly option chain, you panic less, though profit will be less. Yes, if the move came today, so then you would have done double or triple or whatever. So that is not a realistic expectation, right? So you should have some expectation around 15 to 20% in one trade is a good one. Okay, so ROI 20% is a good one, so which you can get with these put buying in the monthly option chain easily. Okay, yes, so if you are looking to drop double, triple, or 10x, then you also know that it's a huge risk and you can lose all your money. Okay, so that was a clear message in yesterday's video also, that the FIIs, whatever they are having put buying positions, whatever, if suddenly they think that no, market won't go down, they can do huge put writing, and again go with profits or almost like balance out their loss. Okay, so they have a huge bandwidth which we don't have. So it's clearly advisable to get time in your hand if you are an option buyer. But for call writers, the message was clear that yes, call write करके बैठ जाओ, ठीक है. So you don't have to worry, just do call writing. uh, and even in the current one, so huge call writing has been going on, and even in the money call writing has started. So just stick to the call writing positions. There might be some spikes to hit the stop loss. Don't worry, finally everything will come down, okay, and settle down, okay. So that's the thing. I mean, 17,800, you see. So what these big guys are doing is they're closing their call writing positions here at far out of the money, like it's 18,100, 18,200. Okay, they are closing there, and they are building at in the money. So 18,000, 17,800. They are going in the money. Okay, so in the end of the day data, you will see that though they have closed some of their call writing positions. Okay, so which also happened on Monday also, and then suddenly again they built up their short positions on the next day and took market down. Okay, so these type of melodrama will continue. You have to stick to your analysis. Okay, so now the thing is that yes, they have done some put writing. Okay, so almost 20 lakhs contracts of positions are there for put writing. So, but again, those positions are clearly hedged. So put buying has also been done for those positions. So they have clearly been hedged, and you would notice that they have closed some of their call writing positions, and FIs also have closed some of their call writing positions, but still they have a huge call writing positions. Okay, just compare the put writing quantity and the call writing quantity, you will get to know. Okay, so here's the thing, that is again stick to the call writing positions. Okay, because the put writing positions I mean it might not be safe. Okay, so again so one more thing, like still the FIIs are having more put buying in the current one. Okay, so tomorrow's expiry. So if two things can happen during tomorrow, that is they can close their put writing positions and take market down, or else if they have to save all their put buying positions, then they have to go with huge put writing positions. Okay, so that will decide the market direction tomorrow. Okay, so if huge put writing positions are going on, market will almost be flat, will try to go both ways, but finally will almost be flat. Okay, because call writers, put writers both active. But if they close their put writing positions and make further put buying positions, then you know what's going to happen. So that's what I will be looking for in the morning. And yes, so as you all know, like even the same thing happened on Monday, and then Tuesday morning I clearly identified that put buying was happening and market fell. Okay, so that's what we have to do tomorrow morning, that clearly get the signal whether put writers active or put writers closing and put buying happening. So that's the thing we have to clearly identify tomorrow. And if you notice the futures data, so futures data also somewhat they have closed, but still futures short positions are still intact, and but the futures long positions they are closing. Okay, and with PropDex data also, if you notice that they have also done some put writing positions, but still they have a huge call writing positions. Okay, and so that's the overall view. Like I mean, again, I would stick to sell on rise. So if you think otherwise, so that's my view. I can go wrong again. Okay, so it's up to you. So I would stick to my sell on rise. So I'll stick to the call writing positions, and yes, and put buying in the monthly option chain. And yes, so that's the thing for this analysis as of today. And yeah, let's go to the option chain. So even like let's talk about the indicators. So in indicators also, if you notice that there was a sharp move, so the scores went up. So here, if you notice, during this time before the fall, like this is the time at around 10:18. Okay, so 10:18 the score was here. The red one is the score. Okay, so it's 65, but then I mean Nifty went way ahead, but you see the score did not go even above 65, so it went down to 57. So the score was in a decreasing mode there. So, and after that also the index fell. So yeah, some so even like today up move, the whatever the up move that came in the morning, so that was the I mean the indicators caught it. But again, I don't go with these up moves because they can be a trap. Okay, so I just stick to my analysis, and yes, if the indicators are going in favor of my analysis, then definitely I go with them. And talking about again, the levels are nothing new. We have already talked about them. That is 17,850. It's taking support, which I think is soon going to break. Okay, so again tomorrow if the move doesn't come, then Friday move aa sakta hai. So I'm in the monthly option chain having put buying positions, so I have time. Okay, so there is nothing to worry. So the main thing is that tomorrow, if we notice that put buying is happening, then there is a very nice chance to again get these double triple. So which we did a lot of times in the last month, during the last month. So yes, that would be it. Like then I mean then it would straight away, like then I would expect Nifty to go at around 17,625, or at least visit 17,000. Yeah, at least visit 17,625. Okay, if it takes support there, or else it might break and go to even 17,600. So that's what I would expect if put buying goes on tomorrow morning. Okay, if put writing happens, then we have nothing to do. And yes, and also this thing, that is 41,853. So for Bank Nifty, that has to be broken for further down move. But again, it took support today there. And yes, let's go to the option chain. So if you notice that yes, FIIs did try to sell, but DIIs are also like trying to support the market. And yeah, so for option chain, as we discussed, like today what happened was call writing was going on in the money, and that's it. So the move might come tomorrow. And yes, and some put writing has been done, but I'll have to observe whether they close these. Even if you notice here, like they are not expecting 18,000 to come, so those put writers, they are escaping there, but the put buyers are still there. And yeah, today some put writing has been done, but we have to notice if they would be closing, because FIs have a huge put buying positions as well. So overall upside will be limited. Okay, so upside will be surely limited. And let's go to the Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, if you notice, like I mean Bank Nifty went up a little. So these in the money call writers, they were closing. But again, like in Bank Nifty, if you notice that again some put writing has been done. So that's what we have to just check whether those put writers sustains tomorrow morning. They might close again, because they have eaten a lot of premium today. Because the liquidity they get when data is bearish, everyone is bearish, so they don't I mean they take the advantage of this liquidity, because you have seen, like even these 2 days when market was going up, data was bearish, finally it came down, and again on Monday data was bearish, and then again the next day it went up, but finally it came down. So this is happening now. Okay, so you can't avoid it, so you just have to take the advantage of time. Okay, data is still bearish, you just have to take the advantage of time. That's it. And I think I have discussed about everything. Let's see if you have any queries. Yeah, hi Ronit, hi Krishna. Skadosh, I think they can delay the down move since most YouTube and Twitter folks were bearish. The retail was prepared for the fall today. Yes, so that's the thing. Like it's happening nowadays. Just this week it happened on Monday. Okay, and then on FinNifty expiry day, you saw that FinNifty put side. The price went 16 times, 20. I think 15 to 16 times. So this is happening. You can't. They are delaying. I think like by Friday some move can come. If the FIIs go at a loss tomorrow, then they would definitely take some revenge on Friday or something. But whatever. So finally it has to go down. Okay, so that's the thing. Uh, Hi Kiran, good evening Kiran. Krishna, sell on rise, but how much market can go up? See, in the money, I just showed you that in the money, Bank Nifty in the money, it's not there. But in Nifty, so Bank Nifty data can change just tomorrow. So I've seen like this happening a lot of times. But Nifty 17,800 in the money call writers are present. Okay, so now you know that how much it can go up. So uh, yes, let's see. Where did it? Yeah. Uh, Sell on rise. Krishna sir, we buy in monthly or current option. No, even in yesterday's video, I told you that uh, be prepared to go. It's better to go with monthly options in. Why? Because just tomorrow we have today was Wednesday, and one day after we have expiry. So once you buy, if it gets down by 50%, you would just panic. So, and it might happen. I clearly told you that since data is bearish, just go and check yesterday's video. I clearly told that since data is bearish, everyone will be bearish and market might not fall, and that's why I advised to go with monthly options here. Okay, if you are doing put buying, but call writers you can go and short current one. Okay, so no harm. Tarun Kumar, hi. How much upside movement will expect tomorrow in Nifty? So I'm not expecting like it would go above a 70,900. So 70,900 to 800, it can just go up and down if the put writers are also active. But if put writers are not active, then put buyers will be active, and things can go down like to 17,625. So that's what the difference is. Like we have to clearly identify tomorrow morning whether put writers active or the put writers are closing and new fresh put buying is happening. So but for call writers, आंख बंद करके शॉर्ट कर दो बस. कोई भी स्पाइक आए तो मतलब stick to your position. Okay. So Kiran, request all the viewers to please like the video and give you a thumbs up. Thanks. Encourage the channel every day, spot on analysis every day. Yeah, bhai, I appreciate your efforts. Keep it up. Yeah, thanks for the lovely feedback. Krishna, but today work your predictions sir earn huge. So you are a member. So I clearly told that sell on rise, and in the money also put writing is call writing is happening. So as soon as market went up, you see at 900 it was dragged down. So because the put buying positions, they are having a loss, right? So you see as soon as it went above like 70,965, it was dragged down. Futures short went in loss by the FIIs. Put buying went in loss. So again, so it was dragged down. But so this is where 70,850, this should break, okay, for further fall. And Akshay sir expecting at least 17,500 next expiry. 70,500 is not very far. So Monthly option chain, they have put buying position. So even at 17,600 also they have put buying position. So if they are having a position at 17,600, they won't like they might drag it down even below it also. Skadosh, today there were wild moves. Bank Nifty single candle shot up 400 points. Yeah, there would be like this is not something new. Just go and check the past week's data and this week's data. Even like though market would go down, I think last Thursday. Okay, in the morning there were several spikes. Okay, but I told my members to just stick to sell on rise, and also in the spike, while during those spikes put buying was happening, and then finally market came down by a lot. So you have to analyze during those spikes what actually is happening, why is it happening. So these spikes will be there to hit the stop loss of the retail traders, because uh, when the data is clearly bearish, so everyone will be bearish, right? So that's the problem. Because on Monday the data was almost flat 50-50. No one could decide, but we clearly showed that no, stick to sell on rise. And next day you saw that nice down move came, right? So that's the thing. When people can't decide which side, so then the next day a nice move comes. But during the day when people can decide like, हाँ ये तो नीचे जाने वाला है, so the move is delayed. Yeah, Praveen, although it went up, holding put for next expiry, have faith in FIIs. Yeah, right. So have faith in the FIIs. I mean, clearly, let me show you here. You just see that, just see one thing. Look at the data. Okay, so this is the amount of put writing, right? Yes, and this is the amount of put call writing. So call writing amount is much more than put writing, correct? Now you would say that now look at the call buying and put buying difference. Okay, so then the put buying amount should have been way lesser than this, right? So, and even like sometime also like these call buying that you see, some amount is also fixed for the hedging purpose of these futures short. Okay, so I mean, if suddenly goes up, then it's for the hedging purpose. So try to understand that like they are having huge put buying position. So stick to it. Any day move can come, and yes. So it's not very easy to like you would go every day into the market and you would earn a lump sum money and come back. So be realistic. Wait, give it time, and things will happen. Okay, so that's my final verdict. Stick to sell on rise. Okay, so what I am also doing, but yes, again I would say that everything is for educational purpose, and you know my educational purpose, whatever I teach, what's the accuracy. So I mean, it's rest is up to you. Okay, so that's it for today. So I think you don't have any queries or questions. So please do like the video and share it among the other fellow traders. And yeah, and please do subscribe and follow me on Twitter. And thanks for watching. And keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you.